Everyone talks about growth like it's this beautiful transformation, but no one warns you about how uncomfortable it actually feels while it's happening. In this short video, we're going to talk about 7 real truths about growth, the messy, emotional, and powerful kind that changes your life from the inside out. Because growth doesn't just happen when things are going well, it happens in the cracks, the doubts, the quiet moments where no one's clapping for you yet. And truth number 7 is going to hit hard for a lot of you. My name's Monique Warotny, and welcome to Rise and Thrive, where we talk about rising through real life. My mission is to share how to grow with intention, compassion, and courage. And this video is for anyone who feels like they're outgrowing their old self, but not sure what comes next. Truth number 1, growth feels lonely before it feels liberating. The moment you start growing, you'll notice distance forming between you and certain people or situations. It's not that anyone's wrong. You're just not aligned in the same frequency anymore. Have you ever outgrown a friendship, a job, or a version of yourself that once felt safe? It hurts because comfort feels like love, but sometimes comfort is just familiarity dressed up as safety. Let the space expand. Loneliness and growth is only temporary. Alignment is the reward. Truth number 2, you'll doubt yourself right before you level up. The closer you get to a breakthrough, the louder your self doubt gets. Your mind doesn't hate change, it fears the unknown. Ever notice how things seem to fall apart right before something big happens? It's tempting to see that as a failure or a sign to quit. Reframe it. That discomfort is your indicator that expansion is happening. Growth and fear travel together. They're not enemies, they're actually companions. Truth number 3, real growth requires grieving your old self. You can't grow without saying goodbye to the person who used to be. Every identity, even the painful ones, served as a purpose at one point. Have you ever looked back and missed the version of you that didn't know any better? It's strange to mourn what you outgrew, but you're allowed to. Celebrate that version of you. They got you here. Grieving isn't regression, it's gratitude in disguise. Truth number 4, you won't always feel motivated. You'll have to be disciplined. Motivation is the spark. Discipline is the fire that keeps you warm. Growth requires consistency long after the inspiration fades. How many dreams have you started but never finished because the excitement wore off? That drop in energy can make you feel like you're not cut out for it. Shift from emotion-based action to identity-based action. Don't ask, do I feel like it? Ask, who am I becoming? Then act from that place. Truth number 5 about growth. Growth often looks like standing still. Sometimes growth doesn't look like movement. It looks like patience. Think about nature. The seed spends more time in darkness than in bloom. Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right, but nothing was happening? That waiting season can crush your confidence. It makes you question your purpose. Don't mistake silence for stagnation. You're being rooted, not rejected. The deeper the roots, the stronger the rise. Truth number 6, you'll lose people who only like the old you. It's hard to take in, but growth disrupts dynamics. Not everyone benefits from your healing. When you start setting boundaries or choosing peace, people who thrived on your chaos may not like the new version of you. Have you ever noticed people pulling away once you started choosing yourself? It stings because you thought they'd be happy for you, but let them. You're not losing people. You're making space for those who see your light and aren't afraid of it. Truth number 7 about growth, and this is going to hit hard for some of you. The reward for growth is not a perfect life. It's inner peace. Growth doesn't promise a problem-free life. It gives you better tools to handle it. The goal isn't to eliminate discomfort, it's to rise through it with grace. What if success isn't about control, but about calm? We chase outcomes, the perfect career, partner, the perfect body, thinking peace comes after achievement. Real growth flips that. Peace is the cause, not the effect. When you cultivate inner peace, you stop reacting to life and you start leading it. Growth isn't glamorous, it's gritty. It's the nights you cry on the bathroom floor, the mornings you show up anyways, the quiet moments where you choose healing over hustle. But that's where your power is, not in perfection, but in persistence. Every version of you that kept on going deserves to be celebrated. If this video spoke to you, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube this kind of honest, heart-forward content matters. Leave me a comment below and tell me which truth about growth hit you the hardest today. And if you're ready to rise even higher, subscribe to the Rise and Thrive for more weekly reminders to grow with courage, kindness, and clarity, where healing meets action and growth becomes your greatest comeback.